This video is for entertainment purposes only. Let's roll. Alrighty, what have we got here? Oop, sorry, bumped the camera. Zoom H1n. Let's see what we got. Alright, clean that up. I was going to open this like I'm opening it for myself, but I forget I'm opening it for you guys too. So what's in here? Got the box, the batteries. Looks like some type of warranty registration. What's that? A TV remote? Oh. Alrighty. So let's see. Look at that. I got the white one. The white one is actually a little cheaper. I just thought it was a different aesthetic. Everybody's got the black. Everyone's got whatever. I thought about even getting blue or red. Or was it blue? I don't know if they made red, but I just got the white one. So look at that. You got a little port there on the back, so you see that? You can put put on a small tripod or device and utilize it. So you got micro SD. I need to get a micro SD, or do I? I have one somewhere around here. I can find it and reformat it. I'll just order one. Okay, let's see. Go ahead and put these batteries in. Okay, so line in, line out. There's the power, I guess. Is that power? Is that supposed to come on? Okay, I should read the instructions, huh? Alright, let me look at the instructions. Where are they at? So let's just give this thing a little bit of narration. Here I am at the range. The gain on this device is now set between about 6 or 7. I'm shooting at the range. It's a back view of me. There's my Ruger LCR 9mm. Go ahead. And what I'm going to do a little experiment here. I'm just going to go on ahead and I'm going to lower it down to 0 and gradually raise it to 10, so we can sort of like talk about how it works. So I'm going to go down to 0 right now. You hear me kind of coming up in the background. 4, 5, 6.5, 7. You should be hearing me right now. 8, 9, and 10. Now the gain is set fully at 10. I don't know how the microphone's going to sound. We'll both find out together when I make this video. I'm going to go back down to about between 7 and 6. That's where I like it the best. I think the voice sounds the best there. There I am shooting. I got the light on the bottom of the 45, firing some rounds downrange, having a good old time. You know, I'm fortunate. I have ammunition. I have a reloader. But this is how this thing works. This is how my voice sounds. I don't have the microphone jacked in. I did some recording with the microphone jacked into the side. My shotgun mic that I keep on my camera. There's my target there. Well, anyways, this thing's working pretty good, and I like to narrate on it, and I think I might have some podcast applications. Maybe if I want to take up podcasting for fun. I don't know who wants to hear me drove on about what I believe and what I talk about. There's my Glock doing a little bit of shooting. So I hope the narration sounds good, and I hope this is kind of a little bit of a sample. Let's just go back through again real quick. Start at 0. I'm talking. Now the gain's all the way up to 10. That's gradually going up. So I'm going to go back down between 7 and 6. That's where I like it. I think that's kind of a sweet spot for this thing. All right. Well, anyways, let's get back to the whatever I was doing, and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, that's a trip. So here it is. I'm like, what's wrong with that switch? What's wrong with that switch? It just keeps clicking. It keeps clicking. Nothing comes out. So just hold it there. Click it to power. Hold it. Bam! There it is. See? H1n language. So I guess I push. Where is that? Okay. Select the language. Low cut or limiter. So English. No. Okay. Confirm, press audio level. Okay. So the confirm English. So I put low cut if I want the whatever that is. I want English audio level. Okay, so there's the date, time. Wow, look at that, 2017. Good year. Any year but 2020. All right, so what do we do here? So we're gonna go time. Oh, I see. See a little cursor move around. Okay, so 2017. Confirm. So what do I do now? Oh, I see. See what I'm doing? I put limiter to 2020. Oop, no, limiter. So then the next one, month. So I see what I'm doing. Limiter. Go up to 12. Oop, no, limiter. Audio to day. Just the day. It is 13th. So I guess I go that limiter. 13th. Oh, 13th. So, oops, no, I don't want that. I want month. I want the 12th. Oh, no, 12th. So, okay, so we'll go 10. Okay. 13. So we go ahead and we confirm that. Boom, done. Okay, there we go. No SD card. Alright, I'll find an SD card. So, no SD card. So I gotta have an SD card to record. Okay, guys. I'll go find an SD card. We'll be back in business. Alright, so I went ahead and hustled up a 6 gigabyte micro SD. Guess it goes in that way. Make sure. Yeah, that way. Oh, is it? No, it goes this way. It goes this way. It goes in this way. So. SD. Okay, so let's try something here. The big brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. The big brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. It's gonna play. Okay, so I got it. The big brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Big brown So I'll have to work with this. I just unboxed it. I don't know. It doesn't, probably not going to tell you very much about it. I might see if I can get a little bit of sounds and stuff recorded. There's a little bit of rain tonight. Maybe I'll go out and record the rain. In fact, maybe if I could put that microphone in, do the rain.